Hello, everybody. So, welcome back once again with a very good morning, and hopefully, all of you are having a really good time. And I'm also having a good time with everything. And as you can see, I am on the way. Basically, I'm going to one of my tuition's house. So, as you can see, that's why I'm on the road. And recently, SSC exam has been published, and I'm going to my tuition's house, and she is actually female students, and alhamdulillah she has got GPA 5, and basically she is now ready to take admit herself into a repeated college. That's why she is taking a great preparation to admit in a repeated college. That's why I'm going to my tuition's house to teach English. And on the way I'm making this video, and from watching this video, I believe that you will get motivated, and you will um, get inspired from this video, because all of you are busy. You show your second hand, you show different kinds of excuse that, brother, I have not enough time, so how can I practice my spoken English? And as you can see, I'm always busy, but now I'm going to my tuition's house, but I'm making this video, and I'm practicing my English. Why I'm practicing my English? Because I want to do something better, and I want to see myself in the next level. That's why I'm making this video. And in this way, whatever you are going to do, or whatever you think, you just try to deliver yourself, because it's a spoken English. That's why you have to practice. Otherwise, you cannot learn English. Okay, that's why I'm just showing this technique. You are busy, I believe that, but you have to practice if you want to learn English. That's why I'm showing this technique. I am busy, but I am practicing my spoken English, as I have to improve my English. That's why I have to practice anyway. There is no alternative way to practice. Without practice, you cannot learn English. So, practice makes a man perfect. But here, one thing you have to remember, that is, mistakes make you perfect, right? So, I'm saying once again, mistakes make you perfect. So that's why, as a beginner, you have to make a lots of mistake, and I also make a lots of mistake. It doesn't matter. You just focus on your practice, on your concentration, so that you can practice yourself, so that you can keep yourself motivated. Otherwise, it is quite impossible for you, because it's an international language. That's why you have to remember that sometimes you make mistakes. It doesn't matter, but you have to keep practicing your spoken English, basically, if you want to improve yourself. So this is the way you can practice your spoken English. I believe that you are a service holder. You are going to office your school students, a different kind of profession you can do. But whenever you will get some time, you try to practice yourself in this way. So yeah, this is it. I don't want to make it more longer, because uh, it's 7, maybe it's already 7 o'clock. So I have to go to my tuition's house. And let's see what can I do for the next time. Till then, Allah Hafiz.